lowering. Okay, so now,
work.
if you have a wall, use it. Get up against it, all right? And I'm gonna try to get my feet as close together as possible, like I'm about to squat or bridge. And now I'm just gonna go side to side here. And just kind of use that. Keep trying to get your feet and your legs as close to the wall. And it's just like windshield wipers, really. Just going here. Internal, external rotation. So much warmth and sweat now. Like this would feel, if those that with really stiff hips, this would be like damn near impossible. Cold, stiff. Oh yeah, there we go. And you can see if I'm away from the wall, going to my tight side, I get dumped off. So I have to kind of use a little assistance. Ideally, what you want to be able to do is go, see that I don't need them on this side, is to be able to kind of switch these. This side, no, dumps me off. So again, the goal is to eventually not need the support, but not as bad this side. I can throw in squat, even an active hinge. Coming back, use the muscle work. Oh, gotta post up a little bit, that's okay. Lock it down, let's clamshell that tight side. Got a squat. And you can see the hinge, I'm just, coming into that hip, that good piriformis stretch. Coming down, squat, return. You can get back to that wall too. Really encourage those upright mechanics and also use it to kind of push me and leverage me in better positions. Oh. Great job. Inhale down, exhale up. Yes. And I can see I can just pry against that wall, push open, and get some movement, some lateral forces that just help me get better positioning. Oh. Use that wall, baby. Use that wall. Nice job. Just finish. And again,
Session complete.
Kind of getting against there and keep bringing them closer. This is actually a nice way to even, as we finish out, just kind of in and out, keep widening out the feet. It's kind of this reclined squat shape. Add those rotations. So again, think about when you do this stuff to break up your work day, whether you're working home or otherwise, you close the office door, all right? Get those kids some blinders. And then how can you do this while sitting? Warm-ups, cool-downs, off-day active recovery. And then what you feel now is opened hips. Now we move after